Back off, you fiends! Brick, where did your powers go? I don't know how, but Lord Darkness managed to take my powers somehow. I have to get my hands on one of those brick separators. Yeah. The only reason why I, Dark Brick, didn't lose my power is because I have shadow abilities. Same with Lord Darkness. He can't take power that he already has. Wait. That means we have to stop him from getting the other brick separators or he will become too powerful. Great job, Yeetus Golem. Great job. Now I have to do something. You know what? Screw it. Chaos Spires. Attack! Uh-oh. That's a group of small infected chaos spiders. War Golem, what are you doing? Let the chaos begin. Surrender, or I will kill this pathetic imbecile. He did not ask for Brickmaster to create him, therefore I must kill him. Idiot! We don't have to ask to be created. We are figments of Brickmaster's imagination. Only Brickmaster himself gets to decide if we get created or not. Now stand down! No! Sentries, open fire! Run, Captain Carnage, run! What do we do now? Undead soldiers at your service. Finally, the toy soldiers are lending some seriously needed reinforcements. Oh yeah? You think you're so strong? Explain this! Revenge! No! You son of a gun! You killed my dog! What? It was funny. No, it's not! Murder is not funny! What part of that do you not understand? Murder is the answer to everything. No, it's not. My arm! Where did this go? I'm going to kill that little son of a gun! Okay, Wrecker, calm down. Look, the action toys have arrived, but it's already too late. This worthless son of a gun is like fighting frickin' Thanos. Right. Soundwave, stop this! This is not who you are. Join Lord Darkness. No! I am it! Shut up! Oh, what the yeetus was that for? Shoon. I do this forever. Ding, ding, ding. What's going on here? Mecha Pride. We have terrible news. Lord Darkness has escaped, but we did take one of his arms. And right now, we need to do something. This is like freaking Avengers Infinity War all over again. You're right. Attention all toy soldiers. Prepare for battle. What? We're gonna need all the help we can get. With Brickmaster gone, we need to do something. Now! I don't care. We need to find Lord Darkness and kill him. That's the thing. We'll let him come to us. Then we will ambush him the same way we did the Destructor. Don't you remember? Lord Darkness has the power to break the fourth wall. He knows our flanking techniques. Dang it. Now what do we do? I don't know.